Birding has been my passion for the last 10 or so years. Although all wildlife interests me, birds particularly fascinate me. Their amazing behaviours, the fascinating array of species and their amazing birdsong. Access to green spaces when you live in a town and city can be difficult. However, today I want to talk about how amazing urban birding can be and what fantastic species that you can spot right on your doorstep no matter where you are. Today I'm in my local area, which is the housing estate, and I'm going to show you just a few birds I've seen here which you can see around your urban area. Firstly is the swift, which does almost everything including sleeping on the wing. They're a charcoal brown bird with pointed wings and a short tail. Most individuals arrive here in May, all the way from Africa, and it's actually Swift Awareness Week this week. The next bird is the house sparrow, which is very noisy and actually a red listed species, so their population is in decline. They're a rust brown and buff white bird with the males having a grey cap. You can find them in hedges like this one, where there's normally lots of birds chirping away every day. The last bird that I'm talking about today that you can find in urban places is the starling, which are black iridescent birds which are actually red listed, so their population is declining. You might have seen them in locations in the winter where they flock together as a murmuration. So that's just a few birds that I've talked about today that you can see in urban places all around the UK. So let me know what birds you've seen on your doorstep.